Okay, last one. Hey, last one, okay?
Okay.
You gonna go down the hill?
Yeah.
Okay, go fast. Good job. Okay, turn around, up the hill. Turn around. Hey. Jared. Come on, we're leaving. We're going to Ricky and Anna's house. Yeah, this way. No, we're going this way. Come on. Okay, we're going to go without you. Bye. We're leaving. We're going to Ricky and Anna's. You coming? Good job. Now we climb the mountain. This way. Up. No, we're leaving. Come on, bye. Mommy already left. Come on, this way. Good job. Follow Daddy. Can you keep up? Whoa, you're going fast. More what? Yeah, we're not going down the hill anymore. Nope, we gotta go.
1 second.
No, not 1 second. Hey, nope. Remember Daddy last time said no more? Did Daddy say only 1 time?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was the last time, remember?
Only 1
No,
time.
Mommy's waiting for us.
No.
Do you want to go to Uncle Ricky's house?
Yeah.
Okay, it's over there. Mommy's already over there. Okay?
Yeah.
Yep, turn around. There's Mommy. Let's go get her. Keep up. Keep up. No, up here. Jared, up here. Jared. You can't. Yeah, no. Yeah, lock. That's a no-no lock. Come on. Yeah, good job. Fast. Pick flower. Okay, come on. Yeah, that's a pretty flower, but we gotta go. Okay, let's go. Bye-bye. Braden's in the stroller because he's sick. Carter's biking.